This is such an off-the-cuff video, and I really hope that I don't post it and delete it, but I have something to get off my chest. So today is October 30th, 2024, and as of today, the amount of money that I have made on YouTube this year is $0. Zero. The last time that I've actually made any money from YouTube. I'm not talking about like from my Amazon shop or watching a video when someone goes out and buys a product. I'm talking specifically about YouTube AdSense. The last time that I made money is 2022. And that is heartbreaking for myself as someone who has been creating videos for over 10 years. That's even embarrassing to say out loud. And I really just feel like everybody around me is making money. Like, is everybody making money but us? Okay, you're right. It's not fair to loop you in. So I'm gonna speak on my behalf. And it really just feels like everybody but me is making a shitload of money online. And I'm trying to get a piece of the pie. Is it all about money? Absolutely not. And honestly, it's clearly not all about money because I keep showing up despite the fact that I'm not making any. And I just want to get back to sharing the type of content that I enjoy sharing without feeling the pressure of algorithms and following trends and keeping up with the things that the influencers are doing. I really just want to get back to showing up on the internet, having conversations with you guys, being myself, sharing information, and being that type of creator. Like, yeah. So yeah, everybody's making money online except for me. Maybe you're here because you feel a similar way, but I'm tired of just sitting back and wondering, when is my turn gonna come? Like, nobody's coming to save me. Nobody's coming to rescue me. Nobody is coming to hand me this opportunity and give me $1 million. So I have to get it myself. And this is me getting it myself by just showing up and being more consistent and focusing on the things that have catapulted me or have kind of allowed me to make money in the past. That's been Amazon AdSense. Currently, it's Amazon affiliate program as well. I have a storefront. I have the links down below. But I mean, I'm not making enough money from my Amazon to pay bills. Well, I can probably pay a bill because I think last month I made like $30 from Amazon. So I can pay a piece of my cell phone bill because my cell phone bill is $45. So I can pay a part of a bill with that. But I want to put myself and my family in a position to where I'm bringing in more money by doing something that I enjoy. No, it is not all about the money, but it's 2024. Nothing is free. And my hard labor, my hard work definitely isn't free. And I really struggled with that for a very long time because I was like, if I could just help one person, I've done my job. And I still feel that way. Don't misunderstand. I absolutely feel that way. However, I had to really remind myself that my time, my energy, what I put into my work and my content, the work that I'm doing, the information that I'm sharing is valuable. So I shouldn't be embarrassed to ask for money or to expect some type of residuals from putting all of that out there. There are people that show up on the internet and make a video about chocolate covered strawberries and get over 1 billion views, and they're banking on TikTok or they're banking on YouTube or these other platforms. So why wouldn't I, someone who actually puts time and energy and effort into my content, into my videos, why wouldn't I deserve to make any money from it? So that's something that I really struggled with, but we're not doing that anymore. We're not doing that anymore. I am 2 months away from 40 and I have to put myself out there. Closed mouths don't get fed. So this is me standing up and taking what I deserve. If you're watching this video, I know that probably means that you're ready to do the same or you're already on the path to do the same. So let's walk together, let's run together and get this money because everybody is out here getting it. Now, granted, I'm not pocket watching, right? And I'm trying really hard not to compare myself to people. That's something that I honestly still struggle with. But It's not about them. It's about the fact that you're putting yourself out there. You're putting time and energy and effort into sharing your life or sharing content or providing valuable information. So in turn, you do deserve to be rewarded for that. So that's what I'm reminding myself of. That's what I'm reminding you of as well. People are out here getting it. So we're going to get it too. We're going to be consistent. The things that I'm going to be focusing on are my YouTube AdSense, which I'm like, again, I lost my monetization. When they changed their monetization policy, I don't remember when it is. I just know the last time that I got paid was in 2022. So right now, in order to qualify for monetization, I'm already at the subscriber count. I'm really close to 10,000. Really close to 10,000. I hope I can make it to 10,000 by my birthday. But the second requirement that I have to have is I have to have 4,000 watch hours within the last, is it the last year? I'll put it up on the screen somewhere, or in the description, but I have to be at 4,000 watch hours and I'm at like 3,800. So hopefully as I'm becoming more consistent, I can reach that 4,000 watch hours pretty quickly and I can start to, start making money from YouTube again. So I'll be putting my time and energy into YouTube, my Amazon storefront. Like I said, I'm making like $30, $45 a month on average. And that mostly is, there's two ways that I'm earning off of YouTube, off of Amazon. I have an Amazon storefront. So if somebody goes and purchases an item from my storefront or from my page, I earn a small commissions there. And I say small, like it's like pennies on the dollar. So I earn that way, but the more lucrative way that I'm making money, lucrative, because again, it's $30 to $45 a month at this point, but even more than the storefront, it's called what's the exact name of it? I think it's called like on Amazon earnings. And the way that that works is you review an item. So let's say I'm reviewing this cup, which was purchased off of Amazon. I need to slow down. Give me a minute. Let's say I'm going to review this simple modern cup, right? I'm going to post a video and then that is going to be linked to the product. So if someone watches my video or like a percentage of the video and they purchase based off of my review, then I earn a small commissions that way as well. That's on Amazon ads, I think it's called. Again, I'll have this information in the description below because I'm trying to limit the amount of cuts and editing that I'm doing. I'm just trying to be consistent, film my content and get it out to you. So that's another way that I am earning money on Amazon. And I really want to focus on that because honestly, I feel like that's something that I excel in. You don't have that pressure of being an influencer and having to sell to your audience. You are just doing product demonstration, you're reviewing the product, and you are focusing just on that. Like the customers and everything, the traffic is already coming in. You don't have to sell, if that makes sense. And that's something that I'm more so interested in, just providing content for brands or sharing my experiences or sharing content with an audience without all of the salesy, gimmicky stuff. So I'm going to focus on that. I also want to focus on digital products. Right now I have one, well, I have two, but I have one added to my store, which is linked down below. I'm trying a new store. Previously I had Stand Store. Right now I'm trying something new. So we'll see how that goes for the first 30, 45 days. That is linked below as well. But those are the avenues that I'm going to be focusing on right now because again, I really just have to get it. There's no more excuses. I have to be able to put myself in a better financial situation to provide more for my family. There's so much money out here to get. Clearly, if people are posting a few TikTok videos and they're able to go out and buy a house or buy a car for their family, there's no reason why I can't do the same. There's no reason why you can't do the same. So we're gonna get it. Now is our time. There's no greater time than now. You're already using the phone that you're on now. I feel like that guy from the Everest commercials. But honestly, now is our time. We are going to get it. I believe in you. I believe in myself. And let's do this.